Faema was established in 1945 in Milan, via Ventura, when Carlo Ernesto Valente founded the Fabbrica Apparecchiature Elettromeccaniche e Affini. There is something special about the Faema's history. In the 1950s and 1960s, any cafes which wanted to be fashionable had to have an espresso coffee machine, and Faema, before all the others, understood the value of industrial design. 1961 marks the beginning of an era. The E61 was launched, the only direct injection machine in the world, as the advertising stated at the time. The E61 was the first machine to use a volumetric pump to bring the water pressure up to 9 atmospheres. The company soon assumed a leading role on the Italian and Latin markets in general. Much of this success was a result of the extraordinary commercial skills that led the company to courageous investments, both finance and innovation-wise, in its sales organization and advertising approach. During those years, Faema covered the Italian territory with more than 50 branch offices, an extraordinary structure capable of controlling the national field as no other company could. At the same time, they invested heavily in advertising, achieving a high brand profile that they still enjoy to this day. Particularly shrewd and far-sighted was the decision to sponsor a cycling team, and from the late 1960s to early 1970s, Faema appeared on the shirts of champions like Merckx and Adorni. In 1983, Faema met another great success with the Faematronic, designed by Sozzas. It was the first traditional machine featuring electronic dosing. You only needed to press a button to get the programmed quantity of coffee. Furthermore, the electronic display allowed direct control of the machine functional parameters. These features, along with the innovative automatic self-diagnostic system, were highly futuristic at that time. At the beginning of the 1990s, Giugiaro designed the E91, another innovative and elegant product and a new success story. While remaining true to its tradition, in recent years Faema has succeeded in renewing its role, earning space and profile in different market sectors. Today, Faema continues to be perceived as the ideal synthesis of elegance and in-the-cup excellence. This is testified by the many faithful baristas who wouldn't give up their Faema for anything in the world.